How to convert Fortnite sensitivity to Marvel Rival. So first, you just simply need to open up your browser. Once you're on your browser, just search for sensitivity converter right here, and just simply click on the first link that pops up, which is the Gaming Smart website. And here you will need to select the game you want to convert it from. So let's search for Fortnite. There you go. Then convert to Marvel Rivals. Now put the game sensitivity that you use on Fortnite. So I'm just going to set it to 1. And I've used 1.6 DPI when I was playing in Fortnite, let's say. And if you change your DPI, or when you played Marvel Rivals, if you change your DPI, set it to that. But let's say you're still currently playing on the same DPI, so set it to the same one right there. And now the converted sensitivity is 0.317. But let's say you've changed from 1.6 to 800 DPI, the converted sense will be 0.635. And that is basically it.